my name is Sade, known as Shade Styling. My business is called Shade Styling and Beauty Boutique. Pretty much this is my first official video, just strictly for YouTube. And I'm going to be talking about my skincare regimen. People always necessarily ask me about what I use, what type of products I use, what I do, and things like that. First and foremost, what I do tell people, it's majority genes, like naturally, you know, my parents, they have clear skin and things like that. So, you know, certain things that may work for me may not work for you. So what I could do is, you know, suggest certain things for you, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's, you know, it's gonna work. But, you know, I do tend to try to do research into like other skin types and things like that. So if you have any questions, you can comment and I can do my best to, you know, answer for you. For people that have like problematic skin, acne, oily skin, you know, things like that, I can probably suggest something that could help. But, you know, like I said, I'm not like a dermatologist, so I cannot prescribe or, you know, give you something or tell you something that's going to work 100%. So getting into the products, this is pretty much my normal everyday skincare routine. I use Clean and Clear to wash my face every single day. It is an exfoliant, but I use it every day. Like some people, they suggest not to use exfoliator every day, but I do. And, you know, I wash my face in the shower like any normal person would. I use this as my moisturizer. This is like the holy grail. I used to always use Olay. Let me see if you can see it. I used to always use Olay, but what I noticed is it was giving me like a rash on my face, and I had to stop using it. Like I literally used Olay for about 10 to 15 years, to be honest, on my face, and it did wonders. But I think what they did was they changed their chemical composition or something, and then literally it was like causing rashes on my face. So I switched to a L'Oreal, and also I've been using this for years as well. Sorry, it's a little messy because I use it a lot, but it's the L'Oreal dark spot corrector. It is a serum. I prefer serums on my face versus like a thick moisturizer. This kind of gives me a serum feel too, even though this is a moisturizer. It's like not as thick as a real moisturizer, and I prefer to have like, you know, lighter things on my face so it wouldn't clog my pores. And you know, the dark spot corrector pretty much, you know, just tones and tries to even out my complexion. And this, you know, it just makes my skin soft, and it's like an easy light moisturizer. I always use it prior to using my foundation. So, and let me, you know, pan over to this. To the Makeup Artist. I just started using this. Someone suggested me. I've been doing research on this company for about like 10 years now. It's called Makeup Artist Choice. They are located in the state of Maryland. Luckily, I had no idea that they were. So I actually drove up there to go and pick up my items. It's not a store where you can actually walk in, but you can go pick up your items from them. And they have excellent customer service. They give you details on, you know, what you should use, you know, whatever problems you have, they'll suggest things for you. So pretty much I went for TCA pill, and I was gonna use it like on the scars because I had surgery on my hand. So I don't know if you could see. I was gonna use it on that scar to lift the, you know, to just make it look more presentable and things like that. So I used the 18% TCA pill, and it's been working wonders. It does make your hand a little bit darker initially, and then the skin peels, and then after that, it looks like, you know, a fresher, you know, better layer of skin under it. And what they suggested for me, because I did want, you know, I'm getting older, so I want something to even out my entire body. I don't necessarily have problems with my body, but, you know, just something to keep up with it. Yeah, sorry, I had to stop, you know, so I could turn off the music. So pretty much what they suggested to me was to use a 5-acid body wash, and I believe it consists of the glycolic acid, lactic acid, glycerin acid, salicylic acid, which people normally use for acne, and I can't seem to find the other one. Okay, actually it only has, it only has 3, glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids in it. So pretty much what it does is, you know, peels, it's like a very light peel. It peels your skin, and, you know, it just allows you to have like a fresher look or whatever. So I use that, but I normally mix it with a little bit of moisturizing body wash. Make sure it's moisturizing. I always try to do things to keep moisture in my body, as far as my body and especially my face. Like I use a lot of water. I drink a lot of water. I spray my face with water before I go to sleep. And when I wake up, at least like twice. After I take off my makeup, I use water because, you know, the more you hydrate your face, the less wrinkles there will be and the less damage there will be to your face. A lot of people ask me about like dark rings under their eyes and things like that. I believe keeping moisture in your face improves that situation. But let me finish with this whole body wash. I combine the exfoliating body wash also with this 5-acid body peel. So with the 5-acid body peel, I personally do not put it directly on my skin because I'm too afraid to see what the reaction would be. So what I do is I mix it into my lotion. To the body lotion I use Vaseline, the normal standard Vaseline, cocoa butter. Like, you know, the one that comes in a little brown thing. I don't have it right now, but I'll probably put it in the comments or something just so you can see what I'm talking about. I use that and then probably put like maybe a drop or two into my lotion because it still does the work. It just doesn't do it as harsh and it does take, you know, a little bit of time, but still like it gets the job done without actually burning your skin. So, but this is, you know, like I said, this is something I just started doing. I have not been doing this for years, so I don't suggest, you know, I wouldn't suggest it for everyone, but, you know, I'm just putting you on to something that, you know, I'm just trying to explore because, you know, the older you get, you might want to try newer things to, you know, keep up with your skin. So also going back into dark circles because people do ask me about dark circles under the eyes. Initially, I was a beauty advisor and well, for CVS actually, but this was years ago. This is actually what got me into makeup and hair and all types of things. So pretty much what I learned, I've always done this since I was like, God knows when, since I was a kid. I use these two under the eyes and pretty much this is Almay. It's a natural skincare line. Well, they claim to be natural, but they have eye makeup removers. And most people, what you don't realize is that a lot of the dark circles you have in under your eyes, it's makeup that's still there. So what I would do, I would suggest to use a moisturizing one, which is the one that's blue. I use this first. I take like 2 really light swipes under my eyes, and then I go in with the alcohol. No, well, not alcohol, but this one is, what is it called? I cannot find the name of this, but this one is more alcohol based and this is like a moisturizing one. So what I do is I use the 2 swipes of this, then 2 swipes of that, and I lightly, very lightly take off my makeup under my eyes. That's what causes my dark rings. I don't know about anyone else, but you know, for me, that's what I would suggest. I honestly believe it's either makeup or like broken capillaries under your eyes. If you have that issue with broken capillaries, I would try going in with a moisturizer, like maybe 2 pumps of a moisturizer, and then use like a skin lightening cream or something, and then dab it under your eyes. I've never personally used it, but you know, dab it under your eyes to see maybe it could, you know, bring color or brightness back to your complexion. And after that, I always go and I spray my face with water. This is like a random cheap water bottle, a spray bottle that I got from Target, and I spray my face with water a lot because what I notice is when the more my skin is moisturized, you know, the healthier, the better I look. It causes, you know, a real glow and things like that. And I don't necessarily like using, I also use this to set my makeup, but I don't like using a lot of these products like that, you know, they claim they have glow, it's a setting spray and stuff like that because they have a lot of alcohol in it. And what does alcohol do? Alcohol dries your skin out. So why would you continue to put something on your face that's gonna dry your skin out? Drying your skin out causes wrinkles, it causes, you know, damage and things like that. So like I would, you know, just use this. I use this every night, I use this every morning. Halfway through the day, I spray my face with water. Like, if my skin absorbs it, and you know, it's fine. That's what's been working for me. But as far as like acne and things like that, if you do have any questions or any suggestions or anything like that, you know, message me. Also, please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram page, the main name is @Shade Styling and Beauty Boutique, and my product page is @Shade Styling. You can see, you know, pictures and images of my clients and my shop that I have located in 12200 Baltimore Avenue, Beltsville, Maryland, 20707. Also, you can give me a call at 301-628-9263. You can call or text me there. Also, my website is www.shades, B as in boy, B as in boy, OUTIQUE.com. Also, don't forget to, like, comment, and subscribe to my page, please, because, I'm working on it. If y'all want to see more videos from me, please do this, share with your friends, and also don't forget to follow me on social media platforms. I am on Snapchat as well. You can ask me a lot of questions on there. I'm on there. I do answer questions on there. My Snapchat handle is @ShadeStyling. All right, it was nice talking to you guys. If you have any questions, call me, text me, message me, DM me, whatever, comment below. And you guys have a nice week or quarantine. All right, goodbye.